The Lean Startup Framework is more than a buzzword. It's a scientific approach to building products and businesses in environments filled with uncertainty. Developed by Eric Ries, it revolutionized how startups and even large organizations approach innovation. The core idea? Don't guess. Instead, build, measure, and learn as fast as possible. At the heart of the Lean Startup methodology is the build, measure, learn feedback loop. It starts with turning your ideas into a minimum viable product. This is the simplest version of your product that lets you test a core assumption. You then release it to real users, measure how they interact with it, and use those insights to learn what to improve, change, or scrap altogether. This cycle repeats, refining your product with every turn. Lean startup thinking also emphasizes validated learning. That means every feature you build and every marketing strategy you test must be tied to a clear hypothesis. Instead of assuming you know what customers want, you test your assumptions through experiments. If the data supports your hypothesis, you keep going. If not, you pivot. It's all about being agile and adaptable. One of the biggest benefits of this framework is that it minimizes waste. Traditional business models often rely on long-term planning and large product launches, but Lean teaches us to start small and iterate. By focusing on real data from real users, you avoid spending months or years developing something that nobody needs. And it's not just for startups. Big companies use Lean Startup principles to test new product lines, explore new markets, and even validate marketing strategies. The framework scales because it's based on universal truths, that assumptions should be tested, that customer feedback is invaluable, and that progress is best measured by learning, not by how much you build. In a world where speed matters and innovation is everything, the Lean Startup Framework provides a clear, proven path. It's not about moving fast and breaking things. It's about moving smart and learning fast. And if you want to build something that truly matters, Lean is the foundation you need.